Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is Driftsun Rover 220 Tandem Kayak. Its Driftsun Rover 220 Tandem Kayak is the ideal lightweight and compact kayak for 2 with a child, or one of you with 2 kids and the dog. Even though it's in tandem kayak, the model has the capacity to carry 600 pounds. It's not a surprise that it's extremely popular with small families. A strong and high-pressure drop-stitched bottom rough vinyl and a skeg that can be removed ensure that the kayak is sturdy. Apart from being lightweight and durable, the kayak can be fully filled in just 10 minutes. Because it's designed to be an old-fashioned river runner and can handle even the most difficult rapids of Class 4 with ease and speed. In addition, it also comes with a Driftsun Rover is loaded with lots of additional features. This includes a front action camera mounting system, ports that self-bail along with tie-down point. Additionally, it has kayak paddles that can be adjusted to fit, as well as a double action hand pump, as well as a rear tracking device, as well as a repair kit and a bag for travel. Overall, it's a great inflatable kayak for families. Number 2 in this best kayak for family list is Driftsun Voyager Tandem Inflatable Kayak. If you're a parent of 2 children and are looking for a great kayak that you can maneuver, take a look at the Driftsun Voyager Tandem Kayak. It's among the top inflatable kayaks designed for use on rivers, streams, and lakes. With a compact and light design, its top is made of the rip-resistant nylon-coated Oxford fabric, which is also abrasion-resistant. The hull, however, is made comprised of high-quality PVC tarpaulin material that's light and prevents the kayak from being punctured. The most distinctive characteristic is the hull's V-shaped. Its side tubes, the movable tracking skegs, and the elevated bow provide greater stability and control. Therefore, even if you decide to venture out in the kayak in the wind, the kayak could be able to withstand it. Additionally, the kayak is equipped with a variety of accessories like comfortable cushioned seating, paddles made of aluminum, and a movable rear tracking skeg. Additionally, you'll have a hand pump, as well as a repair kit for patches, all of which roll together into a convenient backpack. Our third pick is Sea Eagle Inflatable Sport Kayak. One of the most family-friendly inflatable kayaks you can get for yourself with a child or 2, or you, a child, and your pet can be at the Sea Eagle 330. It is ideal for leisurely overnight trips, paddling, kayaking, and whitewater. This kayak is equipped with plenty of space that can carry as high as 500 pounds. The kayak itself weighs just 26 pounds and is able to be packed in bags with drawstrings that easily fit in your suitcase. What a great idea! The kayak has a hull constructed of puncture-resistant, extra-thick and tough K80 polyacrylic. If you're just beginning, and especially, then you'll love it due to its stability at being designed in broad base. Additionally, the double skeg provides more tracking capability than other inflatable kayak available. If you're looking to venture out in rough water, the drain valve with self-bailing capability is a useful feature. In the end, if you're seeking a fun family trip, and a reasonably priced inflatable kayak is the perfect choice.
And Dan with SeaEagle.com. Welcome to the Sea Eagle White Valve video instructions. These valves can be found in use with our sports kayaks, motor mount boat, SEC seat, deluxe inflatable kayak seat, high fishing inflatable seat, high inflatable cushion, and high rowing inflatable seat. The valves come in white or black and consist of 3 parts: a cap, one-way screw-in valve body, and tether. I'll demonstrate this with a DKS seat, but the same principle applies to most anything that uses this type of air valve. Now, before attaching the air valve body to the air valve base, you want to inspect and confirm both are free from dirt, sand, debris, divots, dents, nicks, gouges, or defects. On the underside of the screw-in valve body, confirm the one-way rubber flap and O-ring are present and in good shape. Also, the rubber gasket on the underside of the cap. Malformations such as these can easily be remedied by heating the area with friction rubbing, warming in the sun, using a hairdryer, or even blowing heat from your vehicle. then simply work the malformed area until it returns to its original purpose form. A mold such as this always wants to return to and maintain its originally factory molded shape. Now you're ready to attach the air valve tether to the air valve base. Please keep in mind the tether is designed to fit tightly so you don't lose it or misplace your valve. If it's too loose, the valve may fall off and become lost. Once attached, you won't need to remove them. To help with installation, you can warm them by friction rubbing, warming in the sun, warm water from a faucet, a hairdryer, or even blowing heat from your vehicle. I find the easiest way to attach them is by using leverage. Place the valve in your dominant hand with the bottom rubber side facing up. Now pinch the meaty part of the tether that's between the actual attachment ring and the valve itself, in between your thumb and index finger. You'll note on the far side of the attachment ring there's a protrusion. With your free hand, use your index finger to press or pinch that side down and over the far edge of the valve base and hold it there. Note that you should have 1/2 of the retainer ring already on. Now pull the valve that's in your hand clockwise. You'll note that the tether is stretching. Now pull down and seat the tether into place, and repeat this step with your remaining valves. The tether can go under or over any fabric and will still hold tightly in place. Before screwing the valves in, be sure that all the surrounding fabric is clear and free and does not hinder the seating of the actual valve. Screw the valve into the valve base and remove the cap if not already removed. Use the large, wide mouth adapter of your pump to inflate by wedging it into the air valve. Friction will hold it in place. Inflate to the proper pressure, but be careful not to overinflate, as this will cause damage and void your Sea Eagle warranty. The last step is to check for air leaks with your ear close to the valve. Listen and feel for any leaks. Now try to rip the valves off, but don't worry, you can't, because the valve bases are welded in place. Pull up and down, side to side, and in circles. At no time should you hear any air escaping. If you do, by tightening them further, a towel may give you a better grip. Repeat these steps with any remaining valves. If you find this video helpful and wish to see others like it, subscribe to the YouTube link by clicking on the subscription link in the lower left-hand corner. Hit the thumbs up button, the bell notification, and share this with your family and friends. Remember to post your comments and questions in the section below, and I'll reply to your questions. I'll post product links to accessories covered in this video, as well as a time-stamped table of contents in the video description below, so you can easily jump from one section of this video to another. Until next time, I'm Hawaiian Dan with Seagull.com, and I'll see you out on the water. Aloha.
Fourth pick in our best kayak for family list is Intex Excursion Pro Kayak. If you're in search of the perfect kayak for 2 persons for you and your child, the Intex Excursion Kayak with a maximum weight capacity of 400 pounds is the perfect choice. It comes with an adjustable skeg that can be removed in an adjustable mounting bracket, which makes it a highly adjustable inflatable device. For instance, you could add a variety of additional accessories onto the mountable bracket, including fishing equipment as well as GPS systems. Additionally, the skegs that are removable permit you to alter the kayak's tracking capabilities based on the type of water you're in. Because of the kayak's high-pressure inflation, it is able to offer the best stability. Additionally, the valves loaded permit easy inflation and deflation. What makes the kayak excellent is the comfy seats, the D-ring attachment points, and the 3-ply PVC structure that is the kayak grip resistant. In addition, there are 3 chambers of air that provide security, makes it suitable for waters with shallow depths. Last in this list is Intex Explorer K2 Kayak. It's the Intex Explorer K2 Inflatable Kayak is the ideal kayak for married couple with 2 kids or a single child with Fido. If you're planning to kayak for your first time, this is the perfect kayak. Light at just 31 pounds, the inflatable kayak can carry an ability to carry up to 400 pounds. One of the most notable features is its large beam, which provides excellent tracking capabilities and stability as well. The seats provide superior support for the lumbar region, which is a great benefit when you're out on the water. In addition features, the Explorer K2 even has air chambers and abrasion pads to provide extra toughness. In case the chambers break, the kayak remains solid in the water. It also comes with an adjustable skeg, which enhances the ability to steer in lakes and ponds.